Introducing the brand new iGaging Easy Read digital router and saw gauge. The four functions of this tool are router depth, router center gauge, height gauge, and depth gauge. It's a 4-in-1 tool. Turn to the back. You see all these images right here? This tool comes with 3 different size rods. One is the 1/2 inch one, and the other one is a 1/4 inch. On the tool here, you have the 1/2 inch on the right side of the tool, the long rod on the left side of the tool, and the 1/4 inch on the bottom of the tool. The first function of this digital router and saw gauge is router depth. First, you set the tool on the table and you set it to 0. Then you pull this up here, and then you find the little blade. You push down, it goes right on top of it, and there's your measurement. The second function of this tool is router center gauge. This one right here. First, you're gonna grab the tool. As you can see, it's not set to 0. So you click the green button, and it resets to 0. And you grab the tool, slide it in like this, and it hits the router bit shank. Like that. Push in, so it hits the fence, and that's your measurement. The third function of this tool is height gauge. It can measure the saw depth. First, you set your tool to 0 by clicking this green button. Pull this all the way up, and you find the saw blade, and you push down, and that gives you your measurement. The last function of this tool is depth gauge. You can see right here at the top, depth measure. That's what we're going to do right here. First, you grab the tool, reset it to 0. It's already at 0. Then we change the rod out for this. These parts are very interchangeable. Then you place the tool right over the hole. Then you push down, and that gives you your measurement. If your router shank bit is 1/4 inch, you use this little part right here. It says 1/4 inch on it. And if you have a 1/2 inch router shank bit, you use this half piece right here. These are both interchangeable within the tool. This tool has 3 modes to it. The first mode that we're in is inch decimals. The second mode is inch fractions. And the final mode is metric millimeters. This tool has millimeters on this side of the tool, mm, and it has inches on the other side. This tool also comes with 6 steps, 6 of the most popular steps to set up your router bit to the fence. You say if you want to do 5/16, you line it up right there with the blade, and you push the fence, and that's 5/16.